Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Labels, oftentimes used for identification, brand awareness, or simply instructional knowledge. Today we're in Ottawa, Ohio, and home of the Maverick Label Corporation. For nearly 30 years, Maverick has been providing customers with high-quality label products. They opened their doors in 1994 and have been growing and enhancing their service lines to best serve their clients' business needs. Their extensive knowledge and experience puts Maverick in a unique position to extend the best solution for your business. Maverick specializes in industrial printing solutions, offering a broad range of products and services that can help find a solution for nearly every need. Maverick is focused on one thing: customer service. They have extensive knowledge and experience with the performance of the different types of labels and their application to offer best practice solutions for their customers. Maverick prides themselves on providing custom solutions for their clients and adapting to their needs. In 2013, they expanded their services, offering HDPE customers an alternative to the typical hot stamp ribbon norms, which meant competitive pricing, eliminating minimum orders, and offering next-day shipping. Maverick's products include pressure-sensitive labels and tags, thermal transfer ribbons, pre-printed barcodes such as 2-dimension, QR, and data matrix, hot stamp ribbon, and much more. Let Maverick handle it. In fact, that's where they shine and earn customer loyalty. Maverick Label, providing custom label solutions while pioneering new standards in service and value. Come visit them today here in Ohio at MaverickLabel LLC.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.